Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung ML-2526 printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. Scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Samsung ML-2526 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website. Samsung printers and the HP printers are combined now. So all Samsung printer drivers are on the HP printer and it is an official website. Open the first official website of the Samsung. Okay, and HP website is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our Windows 10 and bit. If operating system Windows 10 is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select operating system Windows in a version. Select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit machine, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on update. After that, this page goes to the refresh, or this whole website goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down and here we find software. Here we find software, expand software. Here we find Samsung Easy Printer Manager. Here we find the Samsung Easy Printer Manager. Click on download. Click on download. It's redirect you to the another web page and download is started at the top. It's completed now. It is a small size file. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy and simple. Right click on it. Click on the run as administrator or double click on it. Both are same. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. Installation is started. Click on the next. Here we find accept the terms and condition. Click on yes. Check this. Select this. Click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take 1 to 5 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 to 5 minutes to properly install this printer on our PC or laptop. Our printer is now properly installed. Click on the finish and restart your machine. After restart, go to your print and print from your Samsung ML-2526. I click on the finish and after that restart your machine and your printer is properly installed in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.